Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well, girl. So as you guys see with the title, we have another brush. Oh yeah, we do. And of course, it's from Amazon. So we have a 16-piece brush set to try out today. And of course, this is what it looks like. It's still in the box, okay? And you know, I always like to share with you guys how it looks in the box. It's from the same company, and I had no idea I picked up the same brush from the same company, but let's just see what we get in here. Ooh. So we got the same bag from the last time. This is it here. I'm gonna give it to one of my friends, okay? If you guys missed my last video, I will put it up here so you guys could take a look. This is BS Mall brush set, and is also a 16-piece. And it's also synthetic. It's $12.99, so it's a little bit cheaper than the first one that I tried out. They look good, so hopefully I like it. Ooh, look at it. So this helps the brushes to stay together. They actually don't have any smell. Okay, girl. So we get more of the eye brushes than the complexion, which is fine. So these are the complexion brushes. We got 5 of them. That's how they look. So this is the powder brush, okay? This one here, I don't even know if there's a name for this. So I use this for applying the concealer, or I use it as a foundation brush as well. And this is a foundation brush, okay? And this is a powder brush. So I think this one is for more blush. I actually don't know what this one for, but this looks like the smaller version of the other one that I shown you guys in my last video. We also get this other brush here. This is a smaller one. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for, but you could use this for more highlighter because it's a little bit smaller. All right, so these are all eyeshadow brushes. We get one lip brush, okay? All right, so these are the brushes here. I have maybe like 3 products that I never use, so we're gonna try them out, especially a foundation. And because this is for normal to dry skin, it's a great time to try it out. So we are talking about the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Normal to Dry Foundation, okay? This is pretty old, you know. Okay, so I'm using this essence as always, and I'm gonna put that on the skin. So it's very soft. Yeah, you need to wash this, girl. Yeah, I hope I don't break out. I think I will break out because my skin been acting funny after yesterday's video. But, oh, we get a little... Oh, girl. Oh. Oh. We talk too soon, girl. So we get like 2 little shedding, girl. I hope it's just, you know, little hair that just didn't glued on, because I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna use this. This is like a flathead brush, okay? I use this to apply the foundation, and then I'll go with the foundation brush. Because this don't have a pump, this is the best way to do it, okay? So I'm gonna use this. I think this is a little bit too much. I'm just gonna place it on the skin like this. And then I'm going to use the other brush. And it's really thick, okay? Okay, I want to see how this brush blend out. Okay. It blend out good. All right, let's see if I really do like this foundation as the other one. The only thing I don't like about the brushes, I've seen this one and this one, the little bristles is not together. They are like all over the place. It's Halloween, girl. What are you guys' plans? You know, I know there's a lot of parties, okay? But be careful if you're going out for Halloween. It's a little bit too soft for me, but it blends out the product good. You know, you get what you pay for. So it's not really a big deal to me, which I think is working pretty good. It's a nice brush, but hopefully I like the other brushes, but for now I did experience a little shedding. So let me see if I stipple it in, if I will get a different experience, because this is how I actually apply my foundation. But I feel like it's a little too soft for me, girl. You see the difference? I get more coverage when I stipple it in. That's kind of funny, right? So maybe I should have just do it how I normally do it, but you know. And it has a little fragrant smell, so hopefully, you know, my skin, girl. My skin is very, very funny. Hopefully I don't break out with this brush. Yeah, I put too much of the foundation. It is what it is. I'm gonna go with it. And I'm gonna continue using this concealer because I actually want to finish it. I want to go in with this brush here. It has a little dents to it, so I'm going to use it for the concealer. So this is a little soft as well, you know. Let me see if it's going to shed. No. So let's just try this out. Honestly, I feel like these brushes are a little too soft, like all of them. But they're blending out the product good though. I'm going to put it over my lid so I don't have to go back and do that. All right. It's not bad. It's okay, right? I could feel the bristle poking into the skin. Okay, it's like hurting under my eyes. So I'm testing them as I go along so you guys could have an idea. I'm not liking this one. Like I feel like under my eyes is like pulling, like it's really hurting. So I'm gonna stop. So we have this brush here. So we're gonna use this other brush. I'm gonna use it to set the concealer, okay? So let's just see how this one works. But beside that, it poking in my skin, it blending the product really good. I don't know if I would return it. I don't know. Let's see how I feel after. I don't think I'm gonna return these brushes. I'm just gonna keep them and just use them. Who return brushes? I don't. Maybe because of my sensitive skin. Everything that I put on my skin bothers me. I don't like the way it feels on my skin at all. It just feels very, very harsh. The foundation is Dewy, girl. I'm waiting for it to settle into the skin because I just put it on and I feel like I put too much of the foundation. This is looking good. This is a little too big for under the eyes, but I don't have any options. I don't like the wrinkles under my eyes. It bothers me a lot. If I could get like Botox or something, girl, I'll be first in line to get a little You know what I'm saying, girl? I'm just talking. So we're gonna try out a different powder today. Oh, Fenty girl, you need a break. We have one more complexion brush to use. Hopefully like this brush don't poke my skin, girl. Okay, we don't have any. Oh, girl, we get shedding. Yep, one just fell out. Oh, what is, man? Yep, look at another one. What happened to this? MS Mall. I was rooting for y'all. Like, look here, sir. Jesus. So this powder here that we're going to use is from Pat McGrath Lab. And this is their Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring on the Eye Powder. Oh, this on the eye powder. I didn't even know that on the eye powder. I'm going to use it for all over the face too. Let's just go with the brush. I'm really upset. They always say, whatever you pay for, you get your money's worth. This one is not poking though. This one is nice. It's smooth. Okay. But still. Is this a hair? Yep, it's another hair. Girl, I was rooting for y'all. And now my under eye is just all messed up. Like, things are not going well for me in this video. I don't even think my makeup gonna look nice. Because nothing looks good except the foundation. Yeah, man. I look at this, man. Look at this. Oh, look at the other one. Girl. When CoverGirl came out with the full spectrum, I was hunting for their bronzer and I finally got it on Amazon like 6 months ago and I never used it. So we're gonna use it, girl. And this is the shade Ebony. I think you could only get this from Amazon. So we don't have a bronzing brush. So we're gonna go in with this. I'm gonna clean it off. Girl, I'm scared to even use my cleaner for this brush because these brushes are so sensitive. So let's go and check. All right, she behaving. There's no shedding now. So like I always do in each video, I pack it in because I want to see how it looks first. Since this is Halloween, girl, what is your favorite Halloween movie? My favorite Halloween movie is Freddy and Jason. When I was growing up in the Caribbean, we used to watch that movie a lot. Girl, I couldn't sleep for days, but I still used to watch it. But as I get older, I'm like, oh, yeah, Freddy, you're not that scary anymore. But I love Freddy. The thing about Jason, I don't like the fact that Jason just walking and creeping up on you and just like slicing you up. Freddy is gonna talk to you in your sleep and mess with you for a while until he decides to kill you. This bronzer is really nice. I really do like it. It just gives me a nice little glow. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out a little bit. So I'm gonna go back again. And I want to put some blush today. This is my favorite right now, so I'm going to keep using it until I get tired of it. This is from Juvia's Place, okay? So the last video, I used this one. I'm going to use this one here. It has a little pinkish undertone. And you know me, even though I buy it, I'm going to tell you guys the truth. I'm not going to lie over here. Like under my eyes look really bad. I don't know if it's because the brush was too big to go under the eyes. I couldn't set it. So I'm going to go in with the smaller brush. I'm using Pat McGrath. We have 9 of these brushes. Oh yeah, girl, all them shed. I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to use the bronzer on my lid. Oh, you didn't know I do that, right? Oh girl, yes. You know, I do that all the time. This one is blending out good. It's not that soft, so I got control of it. Let me know in the comments below if you ever use this brush set. I want to know what you guys think about it. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I got a bad set. I don't know. All right, so this bronzer look really nice, girl. This one here, I'm gonna use this for under the eyes here, okay? These brushes are really dense, so I never have a problem with them. I'm trying my best to use all of them just to see how it blend out. So this brush here, we're gonna use this one to use it for your eyebrows. I'm gonna use it under my lid. So I'm gonna use this here. This is the cream liner. This is from e.l.f. And I never use this thing. I don't know if it's dry. I don't know, girl. But I just want to use these and see how it works, okay? Now, this one is a little dense. I don't have any problem with this one. Both of these brushes works really good. I didn't feel any poking under the eyes or anything like that, so they're good. So I didn't get any shedding with these at all. Just 5 brushes here. I didn't use them. Let's talk about the foundation first, okay? So we get that out the way. This foundation is really nice for dry skin. Girl, just get it. I got a medium coverage. And if you use me for a shade reference, 355 Coconut is my actual shade. It's like it's really dewy, as you guys can see. Like, I in love with this. I don't know why I haven't used this, but very smooth, very comfortable. I think I found this on Amazon. I don't even think that Ulta has it, but I'll try my best to find it for you guys. As you guys know, we are here for the brushes, okay? I don't like them. they poke my skin really bad, especially like under the eyes. So the eyeshadow brushes that I use, they still have a little shedding to it. They're very sturdy, okay? That's the only thing. I don't know. I can't believe I'm saying this about eyeshadow brushes. If you've been watching me for a while, girl, you know I don't like them eyeshadow brushes from Amazon, but these are really good. This is the only one that's different from the bunch. And this is really nice under the eyes. It gets all the way up there, so I'm gonna use this more. Foundation brush, just looking at it, you know that this thing sheds. You see this? All them little wild hairs around it. Yep, it sheds. This is what I think about them. There's nothing else to explain. They sheds, they poke my skin. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time, okay, girl? This is it. So if this is your first time here, girl, what are you waiting on? Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And also, hit that notification bell so when I upload videos, you will be notified, girl. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I appreciate you. And to my OGs, I see you. Thank you, girl. And as always, we have a goal that we are trying to reach for the end of the year. We got 2 more months. Share the video. And if you like to see more videos like this, thumb up this video, girl. And if you have any suggestions pertaining Amazon brushes, leave the link in the comments below so I could take a look. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video.